Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges.
So when you can relate to a customer and know that you share in what they're dealing with, it almost disarms them and it lets them know, okay, my agent really is on my side because they're going through it as well. Hi, everybody. I'm Gina and I'm a performance partner here with APP. I want to thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to discuss with you how we can boost customer loyalty and retention. These are two great pieces that every agency tends to want to improve on, so we'll go through some tips on how we can do that. First, I think it's important that your agency has a retention process in place. This is where we really want to work to be proactive and not reactive, right? We don't want it to come across as though we know your rates have gone up. We know you're probably shopping. We're just going to wait around for you to contact us. How can we be proactive in that, right? So a really strong renewal review is important where we can identify coverage gaps and we can account round. We can really use this as a chance to let our customers know, hey, I know your policy's coming up for renewal. Not only do I know that, but I already have a plan in place of how to make sure that it renews the best way it can. Another way that I find helpful to keep your customers loyal is be transparent with them. Let them know that you understand what they're going through. I don't know about you, but I know that my rates have gone up. No matter if I worked in an agency or I'm helping agencies, it doesn't matter where you are in the insurance world. Everybody is seeing rate increases right now. So when you can relate to a customer and know that you share in what they're dealing with, it almost disarms them and it lets them know, okay, my agent really is on my side because they're going through it as well. I think on top of being transparent, it's also important to explain the market, what we're noticing as trends, how we're seeing across the board with different carriers, what the new market is like for them, and then also explain where the market's going, that we're shifting to seeing it soften, what that means for the insured and what that means for them to be with your agency. Lastly, I find it important to keep them in the loop about what you're going to be doing now and next. So what I mean by that is you proactively contact a customer to dive into their renewal and review it with them, and say that they end up deciding to stay with your agency and stay with the carrier they're with. They're not interested in going to a different carrier. Great. Keep them informed what you're going to do now, which is review the renewal, go into any coverage gaps and so on, and what you're going to do next. Okay, great. I appreciate you taking the time with me today. I'm also going to follow up with you before your next renewal. I believe in being proactive in identifying any opportunities I have for discounts and policy gaps. So by taking all those pieces together, our customers are going to buy into us, buy into your agency, which will help their loyalty to stay with you. The more loyal customers you have, the more your retention skyrockets. And at the end of the day, those are two pieces we want to keep together. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.